Wildlife campaigners have lost their High Court bid to stop a cull of thousands of badgers in Gloucestershire to tackle tuberculosis in cattle. The Badger Trust claims the livestock industry is just using badgers as a scapegoat. This morning, a judge ruled the cull can go ahead. Well, I'm joined by our environment correspondent, David Gregory. What happens now, David?
Well, after the verdict, we spoke to two of the groups that opposed the cull to get their reaction, and the first group we spoke to was the Badger Trust, who did bring this High Court case.
Although the law normally allows 21 days, we've only been given 7 days to decide if we're going to appeal. So we need to study the judgment very carefully, discuss it with our lawyers, discuss it with our members and supporters, and see if we can see a way to go forward and appeal.
Even if the cull is run to a really efficient level, it might give a 16% reduction in bovine TB. That's not to be ignored, but it will take 9 years, and in the meanwhile there's another 84% of the problem that's got to be tackled.
Now, a similar legal action in Wales over the Welsh cull plans actually led to the opposite result, and the cull was abandoned in Wales. So you can imagine the groups are really bitterly disappointed about what happened today.
Now, although the cull's been declared legal here, the farmers still have to be careful, don't they?
They do, and I've been to talk to a solicitor's firm in Kidderminster who've been advising some of their farming clients what's involved if you do get involved in the cull.
The worst case scenario is that you fall foul of the licence, and therefore you're actually no longer permitted and licensed to carry out the cull, and then ultimately fall foul of the provisions in the relevant badger legislation, which is there for the protection of that species, which could then lead to a potential criminal sanction.
So obviously, farmers have to be really careful even if they do get involved in the cull. But overall, after today's result, it does look like a cull will happen in Gloucestershire this autumn.
David, thank you very much.